Okay, here we go. Quick update. The batteries have just arrived today, and it's Friday the 14th of December. I've had to re-record the audio on this because that didn't record for some reason, so I do apologise. Anyway, this is what we get. We get the 6 batteries from a company called 18650.co.uk, and nicely packaged. Took about 3 days to deliver, and the price with the code was £26.47, and the discount was £4.57 with the R2D2 code. And thank you, Chris Campling, for the heads up on this one. So yeah, very pleased with them. Communication was good, and you might have a few problems getting hold of these because they tend to go out of stock because they're very popular. So I will leave a review on Facebook for them because I was very impressed. And the actual batteries are the 30Q button top batteries. And let's just open this package up. Let's have a look, see what's inside. I'm just ripping these open just for speed. I wouldn't normally be so reckless, and these are pretty difficult to get into. I couldn't suss it out straight away, but there you go, because I'm an idiot. And that's the clip. I thought that was a hinge, and they've got a little bit of soft foam in there just to protect them from moving about or rattling. So we've got the charger and the tester in this case. So what I'm going to do is test each one, and if they've got a lower reading than 3.3 or less, then they're no good. So 3.47 on that one. Let's try the next one. My goodness, look at that, 3.47. The same. Right, okay. Those two are good then. Let's crack open this other one. And while I'm doing this, just to let everybody know that as of probably about 12:30 today, on the 14th of December, the app was released via the Google Play Store. So go and download that. I'll put the link below if you want to try it out. That's for all Android devices. And as of this time, the iOS is not available for iPhones or iPads. But I'm sure in the next few days it should arrive. Quite pleased because I wasn't sure if they were going to release it before the end of the year. And let's crack on with these other ones. See what they come up with. 3.47, look at that. Marvellous. And any guesses? Yep, 3.47. So the next thing to do is to charge them up, and with that charger you just plug it into with the USB cord supplied, and go from there really. And then when it says FUL on the display, you're good to go. So, but yeah, very impressed with that company, the batteries. Just like I say, a quick update, and don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.